The meat mixer helps you properly combine ground meats with spices, fats, stuffing, or curing agents quickly, safely, and in larger volumes than mixing by hand. Meat mixers do not grind meat. If you love making homemade sausages, coleslaw, or any other meat mixer food items, a meat mixer is another godsend. There are many products available to choose best meat mixer, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best meat mixer from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Chard meat mixer with stainless steel hopper. The Chard 20lb meat mixer is the most affordable meat mixer on this list. It's a pretty basic unit that has a stainless steel body and paddles with a 20-pound capacity. The mixing blades are designed to fold the mix into itself, which helps ensure consistent blending of seasonings into the meat. My favorite thing about the Chard model is the price. The trade-off is the overall quality is slightly lower, and the unit may not last as long. If you're looking for an inexpensive meat mixer that gets the job done, the Chard 20lb meat mixer is the one for you. The stainless steel hopper has a 20-pound capacity, and the mixing blades are designed to fold the mix into itself, which ensures that the seasoning is blended thoroughly and evenly for a consistent taste. Number 2. Kitchener meat mixer stainless steel. Kitchener is a heavy-duty, commercial-grade meat mixer with a full stainless steel construction and a 20-pound mixing tub. The hand crank feels very sturdy and provides for a non-slip and comfortable grip even with larger batches of meat. The unit's clear plastic cover allows you to watch the meat as you mix it and protects you from injury and the mixture from potential contaminants. The welds on the mixing paddle do look somewhat unrefined, but this does not affect the overall performance of the unit. The unit comes with a protective tub cover made of see-through plastic that allows you to watch the meat as you mix it. The removable stainless steel mixing paddle makes the tub easy to empty and clean. However, the welds on the paddle do look a bit unrefined, but it does not seem to affect its overall durability and structural integrity. The bottom of the base features 4 rubber legs for optimal operation, preventing slipping and wobbling. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Number 3. Hakka capacity tank stainless steel manual meat mixer. The Hakka 15-pound stainless steel manual meat mixer is an excellent value meat mixer that is well made and very sturdy. With a 15-pound meat hopper, the Hakka unit is slightly smaller than the LEM or MEAT models, but still large enough to process a decent amount of meat at a time. If you're looking for a solidly built unit at a great price. The gears attached to the crank are made of durable metal, which allows for long-lasting heavy use of the mixer. Mix meats, vegetables, and much more together efficiently with this Hakka Brothers Butcher Series meat mixer. With a simple-to-use crank that rotates the paddles inside, this mixer will ensure that herbs and spices are mixed consistently throughout your meat products. Number 4. LEM stainless steel manual meat mixer. If you're the type of person that needs to process a lot of meat, the LEM Products 50 pounds manual or motorized meat mixer is what you need. The LEM Products 50 pounds manual or motorized meat mixer is the best commercial meat mixer available on this list and is an excellent value for the price. Number 5. Hakka 30-liter double-axis manual meat mixer. The Hakka 60lb double-axis manual meat mixer is the best large meat mixer on this list, meant for heavy-duty tasks for butcher shops or large game processors. It holds an enormous amount of meat in its 60-pound tank and uses double shafts to turn its stainless steel mixing paddles. The heavy-duty removable stainless steel paddles make it easy to clean, and the rubber feet help hold it firmly in place. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.